Hello everyone. So in this video I will tell you about Canva because Canva is a very important tool for everyone who wants to design something for their website or whatever things they are required. So first you have to sign up and I will show you how to do that. You first have to go to Google and type Canva. You will see the Canva here, and then you will see this panel, and you have to just sign up for fresh using your, you can do it with your Google account, with your Facebook, and with your email. So I will go with Google, and it will extract my Google account details, and it will ask for me to choose my Google account, and then I can choose it, and it is taking up the details from my Google accounts, and my account for Canva is set up. So it's ready to use. It will ask you what will be using Canva for. So it's basically a small business. Yes. And it will ask you about team. So I can just skip it. If you have anyone, you can write down the name, and then you can just add them through their emails. So I will skip this process and try Canva for free. Yeah, of course. I don't want to try right now for free for the pro version, so I will use the free version only, maybe later. And if there is any team to invite, no. So get started with your first design, and I will simply just create, skip all these things. Is there any way to do that? I don't think so. So let's take this thing. Okay, so let's go back to home again. So this is your home page after you are done with everything required in the Canva. And as you can see, this is logo. Here you have the home page. Here you can get templates for social media, personal and business, marketing, education, trending. So in social media you have Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and all that. And in personal you have cards, resumes, postcard, planners, t-shirts. And it's simply in business, similarly in business and marketing things, and there are good number of templates. There are free templates as well as there's paid templates. So you can enjoy all the free templates when you are using Canva free version, while you, if you want to use pro templates, you can get it by purchasing it, which is about $12 per month. So here you can discover things like photos and all other things. That's different thing. And search Canva. Here you can search all your design if you have. Right now I'm having not having any design, so I cannot search it. And then there are account settings. Here you can click on create a design if you want to just search some kind of templates, or you can customize, select a customized size and edit a photo and import a PDF. That's a different thing. So this is the general menu, and here you get your all your things, like all your designs. If you have designs shared with you, if anyone has shared any design, their design with you, and you can get it here. All your folders and trash and create team and all that. So this is the general home page, and you can just start creating anything by create a design, or simply you can choose any template from here. So instead of doing anything right now, I will just click on create design, and I will go to custom size. And suppose I want a width of 10,080 pixels, and if I want height of 600 pixels. All right. And it's basically in pixel. I can set it into inches, millimeters, and centimeters. So we will be using pixels right now. And I click on create design. There will be a new tab and a new fresh page for me. So new fresh page for me to design, and this is the home page, and this is your design page. And here you see templates. Right now we are on templates. There are a lot of templates, and then we have elements, and there are a lot of elements here. I will just show you how to search more elements. If you have any particular image or video, you can upload it, those images, videos, and audios from your computer. And this is a text section, so here you get a lot of text, font design, all. And in the more section you can have little more settings, that is basically integration based settings. So I think these three or four options are enough to create amazing designs. And let's do one thing. You can give a name here, my first design. And and you will see this page right now. You can use this to duplicate the page, and if you want to add a new page here, you can add it. And what's the difference between duplicate is basically if you add something over here, if you click on duplicate page, it will duplicate the above page. Or if you click on add page, it will add a new page. So it's like adding and duplicating the new page is a bit of uh, time saving feature. And the next thing that we will be doing is creating a design. All right, so we will not choose template. Instead, we will design it for fresh. Suppose you want to design something like this, right? So what we will do is we will first give it a background color. So you can just click on this page and here, and then you can choose color from here. There are default colors, and if you have any particular color, you can choose it from here. Okay, and if you know something like, if you know the code of that color, you can just simply type bye bye advertisement, and here you can just type the code FF6600. So if I want to use this color, a little bright, I know, but suppose if I want to use this color, I can simply type the code here and I will get it. Okay, so this is how you get the background color. And then you can just go to elements section, and suppose you want to add some kind of theme. All right, you just search theme, and there are a lot of theme. This is pro, this is pro, this is pro, and you get a theme, this one, or maybe not this one, so this one, right? So it will be uploaded here, and you can just increase the size, decrease the size, and let it come on. So maybe I don't like this color, maybe we can change the color to little dim. Okay, and you're just waiting for it to upload. Okay, so it's taking time. Okay, finally it's there. So this is the element that we just clicked here, and it came here, and we can expand and resize it. And if you don't like the color of these people, you can simply go and choose the color and click on white. It gets white. All right. And if you don't like the color of the shirt and you want to make it yellow, you can simply click here and choose yellow. All right. If you don't like the color of their pants, you can just choose any color you want. Maybe red. No, maybe this one better. Okay, this is fine. So this is how you can choose any elements from here. If you want, like, if you want semicircle, circle, ellipse. All right, you can choose ellipse, and you'll get ellipse here. And maybe this is not the right ellipse I'm looking for. Is there any more ellipse? Okay, let's choose this one only. So this is the ellipse. I got it from here, and I want to make a base where they are standing. So what I can do is I can just change the position to backward. All right, now they are fine, perfect. And if I want to make it more, if I want to change the color, I can just change the color to little this one. Fine now. So this is how I can just change the position. I can just go to the position and backward and forward. All right. So this is one feature, and if you want, like, we can change the transparency as well. We will do that also. So this is how you can do things with the element section. And now we'll go to upload. If I want to upload something like image, I can just click on upload media, and there are a lot of images I can see. Suppose I want to add the logo of NxtDecade, so I can just click on here and open. And once this logo is uploaded, I can click on it and it will be imported to my design, and I can just make it a perfect size and then place it at the right place. All right, so this is how I can upload things, media from my computer, and it can be images, it can be video, it can be audio. The next thing is text. All right, so we have text here. You can add heading. So we want heading here, and we want to add we can give a heading: team celebration, success celebration, CELE. All right, so I can just give a heading, and suppose it's like center aligned. I can give it a left align, or maybe right align, or justified. So I like left align, so I can place it here. And suppose I want to change the color to white, so I can go to here and change it to white. Now it will be white in color, and still there is some, I don't want this to be in white color because it's like there is some celebration going on, so I want to make it of different colors. So I select this one and I turn it into some celebration kind of color. Let's make it red. So this one will be red, right? And the next thing I want to add a small paragraph below it. So I can give a subheading, or maybe I can choose text, and I can write down here: celebration is a part of business. When you achieve a certain level of certain when you achieve an exciting success, celebration fills the team with joy and happiness that makes. And that's it. Okay, so we just want to add this much only. And if there's any issues in this, okay, fine now. And it is like center align right now. I want to turn it into left align, and I want to just make it on this size only. Perfect. So this is how you can just add a paragraph, and if you want to change the color of this text, you can just select it and go here and choose the color, right color, white. And suppose I want to just make a background to this text. What I can do is I can go here in the elements and I can choose rectangle. All right, and I will get some good rectangles here, and I can just place it. I don't know if you like this rectangle or not. Maybe it's a little spooky, but it's just for lessons. So you can add background things here as well. And now I think it is all done. Maybe we should add some more elements related to celebration. And here you get some this kind of element, and which you can add Using this, you can turn on the angles. All right, this is another good thing we got. We can add, this is also free, so we can add it here. So it's like you can add any as much feature as you want. There are really good number of features. And suppose if you want to add this to the background, change the position to backward, fine. Now, and if you want to change the transparency, you can change the transparency from here. I think this should be in background as well. So this is how you can change a lot of things. If it is too dominating, you can change the transparency. So this is, and even there is one more feature. If you want to flip this image, you can flip it horizontally, vertically. So I think this is the perfect place. So this is how you can design, and now I will guide you how to download it. All right, so you have given the name here, and a lot of things are already done, and it's time to download it. If you still don't like the background, I think we can change it to some other color. We can use this one. This looks perfect, fine. So this is how you can make things fine, and maybe we can change the color of this as well, make it red, fine. Now, so the next thing you can do is, the next thing that you can do is download it. And to download it, you can go to here, download, and you can choose the file type. It can be png, jpg, file standard, and since it's not a video, so we cannot choose mp4. So png is recommended because there is no video elements in it. And then you simply go to down, click on download button, and it will be downloaded, right? Perfect. So here is your first design that we just created, and I think it is really nice, and it all depends on your creativity level. You can make it look more interesting and more eye-catching by simply choosing the right elements and right text in the right place. I hope this video was helpful, and of course, there's a way I can tell you about how to add images. So you can just add more elements, add more pages to it, and design it. And if you click on duplicate, you can duplicate it. If you can click on delete, it will be deleted. And the last thing I want to tell you is, please subscribe. Thank you everyone for watching, and I hope you are having a good time. Good luck.